It's better. Okay. Yes, but by the way, I don't know if you checked, but I use division and modulo quick a lot on the code, and it's very expensive function. But if you only use power of two values, it's very cheap. So this is ultra cheap. This is very costly if I change the number. So we have to be careful of that. Okay. For example, this will be transferred in one instruction in assembler. If I use 32, and if I use 31, perhaps hundreds of instructions. It's very edge. Yes, but the C code hide this kind of behavior. Okay. Perhaps we can test on the on the MSX. Okay. Oh, my card is locked. Okay. Okay.
Let's try. Dipende.
Questo mio mappa è stata buona.
So, just a minute.
Here go right, wrong. Sulla Pisa,
The last.
and it's not good. It's not good. But it should detect automatically.
Ah.
Oh, interesting. What I miss? I will check after. Perhaps I need signature, a RAM signature. Perhaps I didn't have it, so it's why it's not recognized. But anyway. Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. It's working.
Okay.
It's blurry. Very blurry.
Color is.
Can I try with my V990 card?
Yes.
For curiosity, because
Yeah.
I don't understand
Okay. Wow. With V990, using game pound library.
What?
Game pound library.
Game pound?
Library.
Game pound functions.
A game pawn.
Game pound. With.
Yes.
Okay.
But I can. You can't. You can't yet. I just had the support a few days ago,
Okay.
and it's not let live, but I will show you. So yes, you have physics, collision, everything.
Ok.
So we can.
Quello è fantastico, finisce tutto. Cioè c'hai tutta la fisica, cioè
c'è le collisioni, no? Se collidi con la tiles ti fa una chiamata a una funzione tua dove dici che cosa fare.
Ah, ok.
Quello è questa è la
I use this
Ah, okay.
but I think for
Uh,
Neo
it's very, very convenient.
for Neo map.
Yeah.
non lo fate.
Ah no, aspetta.
Yes, yes. We have to switch for.
Ah,
first.
ok.
Don't be afraid.
Però i giochi a casa vanno. Ho scaricato solo
Ma
uno.
che giochi c'hai per la
Ho scaricato la demo di Ghost and
Ah,
Goblin.
quello l'avevo scaricato anch'io, sì.
Non quello va. Questo gioco qua che non va.
No.
Still not working.
Because with Ghost and Goblins, it's okay.
It's okay?
But I don't know.
Cioè, per provare, ce l'hai queste qua, no? Non c'hai la roba dietro.
No. No, sì. Sorry.
Che cosa? Ce l'hai per questa?
Sì.
No, che figata.
Infatti quando